In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp List View. Whether you're opening ClickUp for the first time or fine-tuning your system, I'll walk you through a clear, reliable process to get the best results from this powerful view. First, a quick overview so you know why this matters. List View is ClickUp's most flexible and widely used interface. Think of it like a clean, vertical spreadsheet for your tasks. It's perfect for scanning a lot of information at once and keeping everything organized in one place. You can group, sort, and filter tasks by status, priority, or assignee, and you can even add custom columns, like budgets or simple checkboxes, so your view reflects exactly how you work. This makes it ideal for managing detailed project steps and handling bulk updates across multiple tasks at once. Let's get started by logging in. Open ClickUp and carefully enter your email and password. Take a moment to double-check for small typos or stray spaces. Those tiny errors can be frustrating and are easy to miss. If something doesn't work right away, verify that caps lock isn't on and try retyping each field slowly. Once you're in, you're ready to set up your view. Navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to work. At the top, in the Views bar, click the plus View button and select List. Your tasks will appear in a linear, column-based layout that's easy to read and navigate. Now customize it to match your workflow. In the top right, click Customize. From here, add columns for the details you care about most. Things like status, priority, assignee, due date, and any custom fields you've created, such as budget or approval checkboxes. You can show or hide fields to reduce visual clutter, and you can rearrange columns by dragging them left or right until the layout feels intuitive. Use grouping to cluster tasks by status, assignee, or priority, so patterns jump out at a glance. Sorting helps you move urgent or high-priority items to the top, while filters let you zero in on exactly what you need, such as tasks due this week or items assigned to your team. When you're working with a lot of tasks, List View makes it easy to select several at once and apply updates consistently, saving time and keeping your data clean. That's it. Your List View is ready to help you stay organized and move work forward with confidence. If you found value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover this content. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share what worked well for you or how we can level up our production. We read every message, and your feedback shapes what we build next.